Bonjour and welcome to the 2020 Georges Duboeuf Beaujolais Nouveau celebration. Beaujolais Nouveau is the first wine of the harvest, and it's a tradition in France but also all over the world to celebrate the arrival of the first wine of the vintage. So usually on a normal year we would go to restaurants and bars and parties and celebrate the first wine, but this year, 2020 being a special vintage, we actually have to find new ways to celebrate. So we cannot be here with you in person, but believe me, we're with you in spirits to celebrate the arrival of Georges Duboeuf Beaujolais Nouveau. What's important is that you celebrate life and happiness with the people you love, no matter how and when. Let's go to Beaujolais. Beaujolais is a wine-growing region in the southern part of Burgundy, just south of Mâcon. It's about 40 miles top to bottom, 10 miles wide, is approximately the same size as Napa Valley. In Beaujolais, we grow Gamay Noir. It's a red wine variety, and it's a sibling of Pinot Noir. So it produces aromatic wine, light to medium-bodied, and depending where it grows in the region, it can show different expression of the Gamay grape. We have 3 tiers in Beaujolais. If you go to the southern part of Beaujolais, we produce more simple and fruity wine, labeled Beaujolais. Then you go up north, and we have an appellation called Beaujolais Village. It's kind of middle tier. It's a little fuller bodied and a bit more complex than simple Beaujolais. And then you go to the top tier, the northern part of Beaujolais. That's where we call Cru Beaujolais, the longest lived wines, the most complex, the most sought after wines of the region. So 3 tiers and 2 different ways of making wine. The regular wine that we will age and that you can, for example, drink 5 or 10 years after the release, and what we call nouveau. Nouveau means new in French. It's the new wine. So basically what it means is that we are going to harvest at the end of the summer, and we're going to bottle the wine just 2 months after, and we're drinking it on the 3rd Thursday of November. That's Beaujolais Nouveau. Beaujolais is the region, and Nouveau is the way we make the wine. So now a few words about the 2020 vintage. 2020 was a very special year, and also for the wine. But for the wine, it's an exceptionally good year. So we had an early start of the vine growing cycle. The flowering happened around mid-May. We had a very, very dry months of July. Actually, we only had 28% of the average rainfall that we see in July. It was the driest months of July since 1959 in France. Then August was one of the warmer August we had in a very long time, but that with a lot of sunshine. So we harvested very early. We started on the 18th of August harvesting at Georges Duboeuf, and the challenge this year was really to find the very best wine among the region. But we did a lot of sorting, a lot of work looking for the very best wine at Georges Duboeuf, and finally we ended up with a very exceptional vintage, and we can say that 2020 produced world-class wines in Beaujolais, and it's no exception. Beaujolais Nouveau is really a reflection of how good the vintage will be. So this Beaujolais Nouveau is fantastic, and the vintage in general in Beaujolais is going to be exceptional. So one of the things I love about Beaujolais, it's a very small wine region, but wines can taste very different because of where they come from. So because in Beaujolais you have just Gamay Noir, that's about 96% of what we produce in Beaujolais, and that same variety is going to have different expression depending of where it's coming from. It's one of the best regions to really taste the terroir. So here we're going to taste 3 wines that are nouveau, so new first wine of the harvest. The first wine we're going to start with is a rosé. So imagine you're throwing a Beaujolais Nouveau party at home. You want to start with the Beaujolais Nouveau rosé. This wine, you're going to drink it slightly chilled. It's made with the same grape as the red, but the rosé undergoes a different winemaking process. Basically, when you take a whole grape of Gamay, you crush it, the juice is going to be white, but the skin is black, and the contact between the skin and the juice is going to give color to the wine. So if you just let the skin a few hours in contact with the juice, it's going to give a little pink color to the wine. And if you let the maceration happen for a few days, like for the red wines, it will give a dark color to the wine. So let's start first with the Beaujolais Nouveau Rosé 2020 by Georges Duboeuf. Drink it chilled. Maybe put it in the fridge. You open it. You have a glass. You can really smell like fresh red berries, like small berries aroma. I always find like a little strawberry, some peach, a little bit of candy flavor to the wine, sometimes citrus note like grapefruit you can find in this Beaujolais Nouveau Rosé. So it's a wine that's so fresh, so easy drinking. It's great to start your Beaujolais Nouveau party. After, when you're done with the rosé, let's move on to the next wine, Beaujolais Nouveau, the regular Beaujolais Nouveau, the red, the one that you will most easily find in your local shop. So that's Beaujolais Nouveau 2020 by Georges Duboeuf. This one also you can drink slightly chilled. So slightly chilled means that you can put it in the fridge 20 to 30 minutes before you open it. You want to bring down the temperature, it will bring up the flavors and the aromatics of the wine. So when you smell this Beaujolais Nouveau, you really get a lot of fresh red berry, blackberry flavors. It's like bursting in the glass. And it's so delicious, almost like little candy taste, candy smell to it. It's just fresh, juicy, makes you want to eat, great acidity, low alcohol, low tannins. It's just pure pleasure with this Beaujolais Nouveau. So this wine here you can really have with any type of food, but especially foods for the holiday season, like Thanksgiving will go great with all the dish you're going to prepare for Thanksgiving. Then the last wine is also a Nouveau, but from a different region. So when you look at this bottle of wine here, it says Beaujolais Village Nouveau. That means that it's the same winemaking process as the red Beaujolais we had before, but it's coming from this second tier, upper distinction part of Beaujolais that makes wine that are a bit more structured, more concentrated. So typically, when you're going to taste this wine, you'll find still the red and black fruits, but everything is a bit more intense. It's fuller bodied. It has darker aromas. It's just Beaujolais Nouveau, a level up. So I recommend that you taste these three side by side and that you enjoy your Beaujolais Nouveau tasting. Beaujolais Nouveau was a seasonal wine. Nouveau being the wine that comes out the third Thursday of November, and that's really for the holiday season. The rest of the year, we're not going to leave you alone. We have lots of wine that you can actually age for many years. This is what we call in French vin de garde, wine that you can keep. One of the most iconic wines of Georges Duboeuf is the flower label Beaujolais Village. This flower label Beaujolais Village is from the 2019 vintage. It's actually my go-to wine for every day because it has everything I'm looking for in wine. It has fruit, tannins, but not too much, great aromatics, good acidity. It's very well balanced, very food friendly, and that's really a wine that's fantastic. That's great for people that are just learning about wine, people that are wine connoisseurs and that want to enjoy a great Beaujolais. It's very versatile. So where it comes from is from Beaujolais Village. Village, the name Village stands for the 38 villages at the center of the appellation of Beaujolais that can actually produce superior wine. So if you only see the word Beaujolais, it's coming from the south. If you see Beaujolais village, it's coming from 38 villages surrounding the cruise of Beaujolais. So they have the fruit of simple Beaujolais, but also they have more structure and more complexity because we're getting closer to Cru Beaujolais. So it's kind of the perfect balance between the fruit of Beaujolais and the structure and complexity of Cru Beaujolais. This wine is actually bursting with aroma of red and black fruit. You get a lot of cherry, almost the dark cherry, some cassis, blackberry. You'll find that it's very medium to almost full-bodied for a Beaujolais, but compared to California wine, let's say it's light to medium-bodied, generally speaking. And that wine here is going to be great with food. You want to go with simple dishes like ham and cheese. You want to have a salad, you can. You want to have fish, for example, salmon, you can. Maybe a cheeseburger would be great with that. Basically, it's a wine because of its acidity and its aromatics. It's a wine that's going to complement your food, that is not going to mask the flavor of your food. This wine is going to make your food taste better, and the food is going to make the wine taste better. So that's a great combination. So for me, this Beaujolais Village is my perfect everyday wine, Monday to Friday, and maybe I have a Cru Beaujolais on the weekend, let's say, or maybe just keep it with the Beaujolais Village. So thank you for listening. I wish I was here with you to enjoy celebrating Beaujolais Nouveau and the wines of Beaujolais. And I just want to say cheers, santé to you. Bye-bye.